because you don't want catastrophic failure. A lot of the new models have screws with nuts on the back that have a plastic insert. They're lock nuts. They're made so you use them once. That's it. Tighten them up, leave them. They don't vibrate loose. They have a Teflon coating. I'll post a picture to show you on the nut for vibration so they don't come loose. Do not, absolutely do not put Loctite on these nuts. I'm going to show you what happens if you do. This is my P51 red tail. This one's a little crashed. Here's another one from a T28 FMS. They have a nut. So this is what happens. As you can see, the two nuts are left. That's all that's left of this prop. The blades went flying off. Everything broke. You can see all the pieces. Loctite melts plastic, period. I don't care if you just use a half a drop. It drips down. It ruins the Teflon inside the nut. Ruins the nut. And then with the prop spinning, you get a little bit off of the bolt down onto the plastic, and look what it does. It eats it away. It destroys your model. And you'll have this happen. I had to use hot water, pull the nose back out, replace a bunch of stuff. So you'll absolutely destroy your model. Because you don't want catastrophic failure. These nuts are to be used one time. If you ever loosen them up, you're supposed to replace them. The Teflon coating inside the nuts there for a reason. It helps with vibration. Just tighten them up and you're done. That's all you got to do. All right, tip number 2. You ever get this plane that just flies? It won't fly quite right. A lot of the creators are ignoring this. These RC guys, they just set their rates on their plane to high and low rates. They guess. You buy one of these. This is a throw gauge. Inclometer, they call it. They're very, very cheap. People are overlooking this. This goes right on your model, right on the surface, and wherever the aileron or rudder or whatever you're doing, wherever it lands, you can adjust it through your radio. Go by the settings that are in the book. You'll get the model that just doesn't fly quite right. You don't understand why. I started setting them by the recommended settings out of the book. You'll be amazed the difference of how the model flies. I'll show you a picture here, how to put it on the model. Measure how high the gate it goes. Adjust it if you need to with your radio. And go by the book settings. You'll be amazed at how much better your airplane flies. All right. Third, last but not least. You ever have a wheel fall off your plane? You will if you don't do this. Landing gear. This takes the brunt of all the force all the time. Well, they have that little C-clip. I don't know if you can see it, guys. There's a little C-clip holding this wheel on. All you need to do is put a drop of foam tack or a drop of hot glue right there on the end to keep that clip from flying off, because if you get some hard landings and you bounce, you will pop your wheels off, flip your model, lose your wheels. So it's just a little added security. So that's it for today, guys. If you like anything you heard, please like and subscribe. There's going to be a giveaway at 1,500 subscribers. And until next time, guys.